Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. And today we are going to be making a holiday classic, cranberry salad. Now I'm going to put mine in a mold, but you can put it in a bowl or whatever you want. Let's get started. We're going to start with a cup of fresh cranberries, or you can use frozen. 1 can, 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. And this is 2 cups of, well, it was about a cup, maybe a little over, of orange juice. I zested the orange and then I squeezed it till it got all the juice out of it, and then I filled it full of water the rest of the way, because you need 2 cups. This is 2 cups of orange water. I'm going to pour that in there. And we're going to stir it around until it gets to the boiling state. I'm putting mine in a bundt pan, and I've lightly sprayed it with cooking spray. Don't put too much in there, just lightly spray it. But you can use a mold, you know, the Jello molds. We're going to stir this until it comes up to a boil. I got this recipe from the Pioneer Woman, and it looked great. So we're going to try it. It was so pretty when she had it in her plate displaying, and it's so easy. It's just a handful of ingredients, and I think you're going to like it. Okay, it's starting to come up to a boil. So we're going to cut the heat off. I'm going to scoot it off the eye. See, it's just not a big roaring boil, but just a boil. Put 2 cups of ice in with the mixture and stir it around till it cools off. Then we're going to put 3 envelopes of cranberry gelatin and the zest of those 2 oranges. That's about maybe 3 tablespoons there. I'm going to mix all that up till all that gelatin dissolves. Smells so good. Now we're going to put it in our mold. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I'm going to leave mine overnight, so you can cook this ahead of time. It'll be a lot easier on you. All you have to do the next morning is, dip it in a little bit of warm water and then flip it and put it on a plate and decorate. And we'll do that later. So I hope you try this recipe. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite classic recipes are. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's kitchen merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I have or have mentioned. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Thank you for always watching my videos, and as always, God bless.